Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Beauty Over 50 on a Budget. I'm Joan Johnson. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my microdermMD from TrophySkin. I love this machine. I'm a big fan of exfoliating your skin, and this machine does a really good job. I'm going to share with you everything I know about it and how I use it. Here's the wand for the machine, and it has two gaskets to keep the heads on tight. So you just pop these on, they fit kind of tight. And you can either use auto or manual. I like to use manual, but when you're first starting to use it, I suggest that you use auto. It'll show you exactly what areas to do, what direction to do them in, and how long to do it for. Because it has the little screen of the face on it, and it gives you arrows and points to the areas. And then it automatically switches to the next area. You don't even have to think about it. You can just follow the screen and it tells you exactly what to do. I'm going to turn it on and show you that the suction is really good on it. So it's really good. So now I'm going to show you some of the tips. This is an infusion tip. So after you're done doing your treatment and you put the serum on your face, this helps to infuse it into your face. This is an extraction tip. You just put it over a blemish or whatever you want to extract, and the suction pulls it out. This is a standard tip. This is the wide tip that I used on my neck, and you can use this on your neck and your chest. This is the precision tip. This is the one that I used on my nose and around my eyes. And this is the fine tip. This is the one that I used on my face and my forehead. Here are the filters. The brush to clean your head, extra little gaskets for around your wand. I put it on manual 6, and I like to do around my eyes first. I pull the skin tight and it sucks it up. And I go in an outward motion. And you can see what's already on there from just around my eyes and around my nose. So this is the next one that I'll use. Just pop it right on. And I'll do the rest of my face with it. I still have it on 6, on level 6. This is how much dead skin cells have come off so far off my face. This is the large tip. I'm going to use that for my neck. I still have it on level 6. Okay, so I'm all done. That's how much dead skin I got off doing my face and my neck. So I finished doing my MicrodermMD. So now I'm going to put on the argan stem cell serum. Okay, I'm all exfoliated. Enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm a brand new channel, and comment down below.